Hello everyone, this is Anjali Maurya and my topic is irritability and contradiction. So first of all, the definition of irritability. Irritability is the feeling of frustration or anger often over seemingly small matters. मतलब irritability can be normal and is only an indicator of underlying disease when feeling become excessive, all consuming and interfere with daily livings. Example, feeling of agitation. We had seen in small babies or young children, there is always some kind of agitation or irritability because of any irritant or any disease or any underlying situations. So we had taken here some example, like if there is any ear infection or stomach ache in small children, they become very fizzy or irritable. So this is how they show their irritability, by crying or by doing some other activities. Children are often reported to feel irritable, especially when they are tired or sick. Symptoms can be lack of sleep, life stress, easily annoyed or bothered, easily offended, or easily get angered. The rubric irritability for, can be taken in many ways, and medicines like Thuja, which is best known for skin treatment and skin conditions, that is wart, dry skin, itchy eruptions, piles, nail fungus, etc. And Thuja is used for emotional, opinionate, and irritable persons. Symptoms are better from rubbing, pressure, and worse by night. So Thuja is one of the good remedy for irritability. In same manner, chamomilla is also a good remedy for irritability in dentition during after coffee. In children, China is a good remedy for irritability. When questioned, then if irritability arises, then nux vomica can be thought of. Exhaustion from working and irritability caused, then nux vomica is also thought of. Children cross the day, lycopodium is the remedy, can be thought of. In rust talks, amelioration in open air given side of irritability. In phosphorus, when irritability caused due to aloneness, then phosphorus can be thought of. In natromure, due to any business about irritability due to that. And in sorinum, day and night sleeplessness cause irritability. Along with that, antemtart and tarantula can be thought of when irritability caused by touched. Second topic is contradiction. So the rubric contradiction means to oppose something. The definition can be taken as a statement, fact, or action that is opposite to different or another one. मतलब किसी भी चीज़ का अपोज करना, कोई भी चीज़ में नकारना या अलग, उसे अलग तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट करना, उसका लॉजिक वे अलग होना. In traditional logic, a contradiction consists of a logical incompatibility or incongruity between two or more propositions. It occurs when the propositions taken together yield two conclusions which form the logical, usually opposite inversion of each other. Contradiction is a situation or idea in opposition to one another. For example, you say one thing, then later you say another thing. There are many medicines for rubric contradiction. First of all, we can take contradiction during speech or to speech. So pulsatilla, sepia, thuja, and phosphorus can be thought of. Phosphorus is also can be think of contradiction after pain. And next is afternoon contradiction, that is cantharis can be thought of. Along with that, aurum, ignitia, lycopodium is also good remedy for contradiction. Contradiction disposition 2. For this condition, Hepar and Ruta can be thought of. Natriumure and Pulsatilla can be think for the contradictory in alternating state. And Ignitia and Lycopodium can be think for contradiction intolerant to aggravation. Thank you.